talk about a wonderful herb called borage. Borage, also known as starflower, is a hardy annual herb with vivid blue flowers and fuzzy leaves. It is grown worldwide, however, it is native to the Mediterranean. Historically, it was used in ancient Greece and Rome, where the leaves were steeped into a cooling beverage and the flowers symbolized courage. Roman soldiers reportedly drank borage-infused wine before battle. This idea carried through the Middle Ages, where borage was believed to uplift spirits and was used in monastery gardens across Europe. Borage is highly valued in companion planting. When paired with vegetables like tomatoes, squash, and strawberries, it can help enhance growth and deter pests. Its deep root helps break up compacted soil, improving structure for surrounding plants. As a pollinator-friendly plant, borage supports biodiversity and garden productivity. Its nectar-rich flowers draws bees and other helpful insects, making it an ideal addition to pollinator gardens. The leaves of borage have a mild cucumber flavor and can be added raw to salads or used as a garnish. The leaves are best harvested young when they are less hairy and more tender. Borage leaves are also traditionally steeped into a refreshing tea. The flowers, on the other hand, are culinary gems. Their sweet flavor and striking color make them a favorite for garnishing drinks, desserts, and summer salads. For a creative twist, freeze the flowers in ice cubes for a festive drink accent. The oil from borage seeds is prized in skincare for its ability to reduce inflammation and repair the skin's moisture barrier. It can help with eczema, acne, and other inflammatory skin issues. The oil also helps suppress inflammatory responses throughout the body. It can help with asthma and rheumatoid arthritis. Other potential benefits include improving cardiovascular health by supporting healthy cholesterol levels and lowering blood pressure, balancing women's hormones, and relieving symptoms of PMS, and relieving coughs, bronchitis, and fevers. Do you grow borage on your homestead? Have you used it medicinally? Let me know in the comments below. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.